Effect of climate on human life. Climate has a tremendous effect on human life. This effect is visible in the diet, lifestyle, and nature of the people. Rajasthan faces water scarcity, and hence most of the houses have wall terraces to store water. People in northern India use woolen garments to protect themselves from extreme cold, while people of South India prefer cotton clothes to protect themselves from heat. The people of the desert regions wear loose cotton clothes to prevent themselves from the continuous heat and protect themselves from the sand blowing across the desert. They are also covering their heads with a cloth piece, large handkerchief, to protect their head and hair from the sand. Due to the varied climatic conditions across India, the people of Gujarat are usually engaged in businesses. The people of Punjab are mostly soldiers, while the people of northern India are involved in agriculture. Similarly, the nomads of the deserts are engaged in animal husbandry. Wheat is the staple food of the people of the coastal areas of Gujarat, while rice and fish form the staple diet of the people of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and West Bengal. Students, climate affects diet, lifestyle, and behavior of people. For example, people living in dry regions like Rajasthan have flat terraces on their houses for storing water during rains. People of North India wear woolen clothes to protect themselves from chilling cold. People of South India prefer cotton clothes to protect themselves from heat, whereas people living in desert regions wear loose cotton clothes to protect themselves from heat and blow off dust easily from the clothes. Also, they wear cotton turbans or tie cotton cloth on their head to get protection against heat and dust. Due to the favorable conditions in North India, farming is seen more in these regions. The shepherd community wanders place to place so that they can feed their animals properly in the dry regions. Due to the different climatic conditions, Gujarat grows wheat, whereas Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and West Bengal grow rice. Marine industry has developed in regions having coastlines. The meaning of resources. Everything available in our environment which can be stored and used based on its quality, capacity, and utility, and which becomes our heritage can be termed as resource. Resources are also those that can fulfill certain aims, objectives, and offer concrete solutions towards problems. Anything that can be aimed at and used to accomplish human necessities also becomes a resource. The people of the earlier times were not aware of the minerals available below the surface of the soil and hence could not utilize it. That is why those minerals were not considered as a resource. But these resources are very useful for the modern man. The things that help in man's welfare and satisfy their demands are resources for men. Students, everything available in our environment which can be stored and used based on its quality, capacity, and utility, and which becomes our heritage can be termed as resources. Man categorizes these resources on the basis of their characteristics and utility. In ancient time, people could not make large use of these resources as they were unaware of it. As time passed, man learned to make maximum use of these resources. Man uses these resources to satisfy his needs and for his welfare. Natural resources. Natural resources are anything that exists naturally in any environment, is easily available and useful to man. There are three types of resources: water resources, mineral resources, and land resources. Students, the materials available naturally on earth and which are easily available and useful to human beings are called natural resources. There are three types of natural resources. They are water resources, mineral resources, and land resources. Water resources. The water resources of India include rivers, lakes, seas, etc. The rivers of India are divided into two on the basis of its origin and characteristics: rivers of northern India and rivers of southern India. Students, if you like my videos, do subscribe channel Asma Madhya. Click on the bell icon for the latest videos. Like the videos, share the videos, and do comment on all the videos.